in the Kindred book by Rebecca Sykes. The main topic of the study was for her to basically, just figure out how these people, Neanderthals, how they are related to us, and where they come from, what did they do, how they hunted, and all those aspects of life of what makes us human. So that was just the main study. The study takes place in Europe. I mean, she goes everywhere: caves, sides of the ocean, everything that archaeologists do. Of course, they, have this great feeling of studying our past life and the history of humans, of course, with, studying artifacts that these people made and, everything that they would have did or what they did do. Of course, the culture group that was studied was Neanderthals, and methods such as, cave diving, digging, all of those things were, in context. And of course, they found out that these people, they were hunters, gatherers, and foragers, basically top tier hunters. And I did find something interesting. I was reading on this one website about the book, and it was explaining how they ate horse eyeballs. And that was kind of weird to me. But yeah, that was a book. Honestly, I don't like reading, but it was somewhat interesting. And related to the course, they existed, between the time frame and they lived in Europe, Middle East Asia. These people, the Neanderthals, they surprisingly, they aren't in the DNA of Africans. So they never ventured there, or even, I guess, to the Americas of what we call today. So that's just an interesting fact, that how they were just, all over Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, but they didn't go anywhere else. That was a pretty interesting fact. Also, let's see here. It asks, did the book challenge you, frustrate you, or disappoint you, and inspire you? I would say, I know it didn't frustrate me. I would say it inspired me. Basically, it inspired me to learn more about these people, do some more research. What else find is that other people find, and what can we do to figure out who we really are? So that was kind of a thing for me. And in my past courses in anthropology, this is just my second anthropology course. I took one at Pulaski Tech, and the main thing that I, learned from anthropology is that culture really counts. And that was the name of the book that, we were assigned for that anthropology course. And, it doesn't matter where you come from, or, what your morals are, what you believe in. Of course, all of that is respected, but we all come from something. We all, we do the same thing animals do. We evolve. We get used to things, and we make babies with different people. So that's what makes us today. So I think Rebecca did a pretty good job, throughout her research, though. Everything she collected, And she, I believe this was her first book I was reading. Yeah, this was her first book. And I mean, I think she did a good job on it. And she's becoming to be very popular, even though this book just came out last year. So that's very interesting.